When you wake up each morning and you feel like calling, I'll be there for you.
My message for Singalong unit, I hope na you will grow as a good servant and whatever task that you will be having, and kahit nandun na kayo sa kabilang chapter, I hope na you will be more faithful to God and more faithful to your services. And God bless, and go and bear fruit that will remain.
This is not goodbye. See you soon. Spread your wings in this new service. See you soon.
When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there.
Hi, Singalong! Nakikita niyo si Weng, di ba? Pinipilit niya magbigay sa inyo ng message. Pero yung message na lang namin para sa inyo, since you will be transferring to Malate, we wish you good luck, God bless, at syempre, sama-sama pa rin tayo in serving God. At remember, we are too blessed to complain. God bless you all.
Sa Singalong, sa kay Declan tsaka kay Mercy, naway hindi nyo makalimutan ng chapter, tsaka sana kung saan mo kayo, dito pa rin kami. Pwede pa rin kayo mag-household sa amin. Thank you for the moments na kasama namin sa Paco chapter. At mamimiss namin talaga tayo. Pero sa household natin, sana andun pa rin kayo. Makakapunta pa rin kayo sa amin. Bye-bye. God bless.
When the world isn't kind and your dreams they need more time, I'll be there for you. If the rules they keep breaking and the future is fading, I'll be there for you. The rainbow will land in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. Who knows where we'll go? What will tomorrow bring? When we have each other, just hold on tight. We can take to the skies and fly. I'll be there for you.
Hi!
Hello!
Hello! Hello, Singalong unit. Wala na si Ate Weiwei pero okay lang. Hi, Ate Mercy, and hi, Kuya Dekdek. I wish you all the best sa Malate chapter. Sana mas mag-grow pa kayo doon. And thank you for the years na nakasama ko kayo sa Paco unit. Mamimiss ko kayo pero magkasama pa ulit tayo as one cluster.
I'll be there for you. The rainbow will land in the palm of your hand.
Ikaw ang passion.
Ako daw mauna. Okay. Ako na? Okay na. Okay yun.
Okay na, yun naka-record na.
Mercy, go and multiply. Yun lang.
Hindi sila ba yung nag-multiply yung dalawa kasi hindi sila yung, anong goal? Ano yung silang dalawang?
Go and multiply. Hindi.
Ano? Participants.
Participants. Immerse themselves in Malate.
So siya? Si Mercy kasi wala ka pang 1 year na yun together tapos sa atin ka na nakakaas. Tapos lipat ka na ng bahay din, hindi tayo mag-neighbors. And anyways, malapit na naman yung Malate. Dito na lang kayo sa upper house na. Then Kuya Dek, ang bato itapon mo na, okay? Love you! Boro, ano na ngayon?
I'll be there.